Here's where you can start with your new Literacy at Home kit. Your kit includes a printout guiding you on how to find out what your child does and doesn't know. We also have a video walkthrough guiding you through the entire process, as well as how to then schedule your lesson plans. Your kit comes with a variety of teaching tools. These tools can be used to teach your child the basic skills needed for reading the ABCs, phonics, and sight words. We have the alphabet flashcards. Vowels are in red, and consonants are in blue. Next we have foam letters. Like the alphabet flashcards, vowels are in red and consonants are in blue. Next up we have the lacing alphabet beads. We also have the pre-primer flashcards. Your kit also comes with an activity book based on the age range of your child. The Learning A to Z book set is used for learning names and shapes of the alphabet. This book is photocopyable. You can use this book over and over again with the stationery provided. The Literacy Book 1 is used for learning the names and shapes of the alphabet, as well as phonics or single sounds. You will also receive a storybook. This will allow you to build a love for reading in your child, as well as an understanding of words and stories. Finally, you will also receive a DIY kit. These allow you to conduct hands-on activities for your child to remember what they've learned better. Get crafty with these materials, including sensory salt, glitter foam, Play-Doh, craft pipe cleaners, and a whiteboard, marker, and post-it notes. Check out our video landing page for all the different guides and walkthroughs that we have provided as part of this series. And if you have any questions, please get in touch with us via our social media channels.